Good evening, Jake. It's Aaron here from LA Mazda. I'm just going to do a quick video walk around on the 2015 Dodge that you had inquired on, and you were asking about hail damage. So I'm just going to give you an up-close, silent video of the vehicle, just so you can get into perspective the condition of the exterior. Again, keep in mind that with lighting and all that kind of stuff, it's not going to be perfect, but I'm going to do the best I can to show you that there is no damage. So we'll start off here on the hood and we'll work our way around. And there you are, Jake, just a short video to prove to you that there is no hail damage on this 2015 white Grand Caravan. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to give me a call. The number here again is 780-986-9665. Thanks, and I look forward to meeting you on Saturday.